Good morning, students. In this video, we are going to learn about the subatomic particles and the properties of subatomic particles. The discoveries made during the 12th century proved that atoms of all the elements are made up of the smaller component electron, proton, neutron. So elements are made up of atoms. Atom consists of electron, proton, neutron. They are called subatomic particles. So an electron from hydrogen atom is no different from electron of carbon atom. So all the elements having the same electrons, same kind of electrons. In the same manner, protons and neutrons of all the elements also have the same character. So from all the elements of atom have the same kind of electron, proton and neutron. Only the numbers will be different for each and every element. Number of electron, proton, neutron will be different from each and every element. So these particles that makes up the atoms are called subatomic particles. So atom contain electron, proton, neutron. So they are called as subatomic particle. Now I can explain one by one: proton, neutron, electron. So first one is proton. Proton is the positively charged particle. Proton is positively charged particle and it is located in the nucleus. Its positive charge of the same magnitude as that of the electron's negative charge. That means proton have positive charge, it is equal to negative charge of electron. So positive charge is subatomic particle found in the nucleus of atom. So mass about 1840 times that of an electron. Mass of about 1840 times that of an electron. It will be high than electron. So what is the charge of proton? +1. So where is for each element. Next one is electron. This is the negatively charged particle. Electrons is a negatively charged subatomic particle found in the space outside the nucleus. So this negatively charged particle, the electron revolve around the nucleus of an atom in specific orbit. The mass of an electron is negligible as compared to that of a proton or neutron. The mass of the electron is negligible compared to proton and neutron. Hence, the mass of an atom depends on the number of proton and neutron in the nucleus. So mass of an atom depends only proton and neutron in the nucleus, not for electron. So what is the charge of electron? -1. So electron is discovered by J.J. Thomson. Already we learned in last class. Thomson model in 1897. Next subatomic particle is neutron. So neutron is a neutral subatomic particle that is found in the nucleus. So neutron is inside the nucleus. The neutron does not have any charge. That's why they are called as neutral, excepting hydrogen. Hydrogen is the only atom does not having neutron. So except hydrogen, nuclei of all atom contain neutron. Except hydrogen, the other nuclei of all atom containing neutron. So charge is 0. The neutron is discovered by James Chadwick in 1932. So the mass of neutron is equal to proton. So proton and neutron are the two types of particle in the nucleus of an atom. Both particles are called as nucleons. The total negative charge of all the electrons outside the nucleus is equal to the total positive charge in the nucleus. That makes the atom electrically neutral. Atom is electrically neutral. How can you say that it is electrically neutral? Because the number of protons inside the nucleus is equal to the number of protons present in outside the nucleus. Both are equal in number. So the positive charge and negative charge become equal number. So they are called as neutral. The atom it should be a neutral. So proton and neutrons, atom have no net electrically charge. So electric charge are carried by the particles of matter. The electric charge always exists in whole number, multiples of single basic unit, no fractional of the charges. When a given number of positive charged particles are combined with a given number of negatively charged particles, the resultant is an electrically neutral. Next, the charge and mass of subatomic particle. First, proton. So, who is discovered the proton? Ernst Rutherford. What is the symbol of proton? P. What is the charge of proton? +1. What is the mass of proton? 1.6726 into 10 to the power of 27. Note down the mass of proton is 1.6726 in 10 to the power of 27. Minus 27. The next particle is electron. Electron is discovered by J.J. Thomson. The symbol of electron is E. The charge is -1. The mass of electron is 9.1093 in 10 to the power of -31. Next, neutron. The neutron is discovered by James Chadwick. The symbol is small n. Charge is 0. the mass is equal to proton, that is 1.6749 into 10 to the power of minus 27. So mass of proton and neutron is almost equal. Thank you, students.